Installation method of listing molding rack with hanger. Universal head. It is fixed to the wooden hanger with screws. Support changing hangers. First, put this telescopic rod. Install in this location. Use to adjust the width. Put this shorter telescopic rod. Put it here. Put on a thicker short foam tube. If shooting short sleeves, screws can be installed directly on the bottom, and gaskets to prevent the foam tube from slipping. The length can be adjusted. When shooting long sleeves, put this long metal elbow on. Thick foam tubing. Plug this cuff again. Put it on the end of the metal elbow. Put this open foam tube. Plug it on the metal rods on both sides. 2 telescopic rods are installed below. The length can be adjusted. Put on 2 shorter foam tubes. On top of this metal elbow, put a gasket on. Then install it under the telescopic rod. Put a 20 cm foam tube on the outside. Fix the bottom with screws and gaskets. Telescopic rod, the length can be adjusted. Metal elbows can be bent. Meet the needs of various shooting styles.